friends, today in this module you will learn about the sexual reproduction take place in case of flowering plant. So you all know there are different type of flowers present in your surrounding. The flower is the most attractive part of the plant. So these are the most beautiful part of our plant. So plants have the main reproductive part is flower. So flower are the reproductive part of our plant. The reproduction part of the flower are of two main parts, male parts and female parts. Male part is stamen and female part is carpel or pistil. Okay, if those both the male or female part present in same plant, that is it is known as bisexual. When the some flower possesses either one male or female reproductive part, such flower are called unisexual flower. Male, female, cones, cucumber. So different type of flowers present in your surroundings. Stamen is the male part and carpel is the female reproductive part of our flower. Now we discuss about the male part. It consists of two main part, anther and filament. Anther consists of pollen grain, that is the pollen male gamete, and the carpel consists of three main parts, stigma, style and ovary. So stigma is the part which receive pollen grain from the male part of the flower, and style is the tube, and the ovary, and in this ovary what will be in ovary? Ovule. So ovule is the female gamete or egg cell. The process of sexual reproduction in plants. What will happen in this case? The male and female part fusion occur and it make a zygote. And the process of make zygote, it is known as fertilization. So here male grain means pollen grain. When it is be fused with ovary, then it is be make zygote. The transfer of male gamete from the stamen of the flower to stigma of the same flower or other flower, it is known as pollination. So pollination play a very important role in transfer of male gamete to female part of the plant. So if this pollination not occur, it is not possible to be fertile the flower. So when if it is in one same flower, then it is be a self pollination. When it is be in two different flower, then it is known as cross pollination. And what is the agent of pollination? Wind, animal and water. So these are the three main agent of pollination who can help in pollination process. What do you mean by pollen grain? Male gamete. So when it is be gone through the stigma, from stigma to style and style to ovary, and this pollen grain transfer to ovule of the ovary, then this female gamete, when it is be attached with male gamete pollen grain, and the fusion of these two both, it is known as fertilization. And the cell who one is being made new cell by the fusion of male and female gamete is known as zygote. Okay, so this zygote further divided into a different more than two cells, then it is be known as embryo, and from embryo to make seed, and from seed to fruit. So this fruit is the ripened ovary, and the ovule is changed into a seed.